Hey, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking a Valentine's Day edition of a little haul that I did last week. So I went shopping at the MAC sale. If you had the opportunity to see my last video, I told you about the MAC lip sale that they were having 30% off. I'm sorry that video was so late, but I hope you did get the opportunity to shop that lip sale if that's something that you were looking for. I did shop on the MAC website, which is how I kind of stumbled upon the sale, but I was looking for more things than just lip stuff, so I wanted to show you what I got. The makeup I'm wearing today features a couple of things that I got from the MAC website. One of them is the Studio Radiance foundation. And I bought this because of the radiance. We're getting ready to lean into spring, and I wanted something a little more luminous, let's say. So I got the shade NC27. What's really cool on the MAC website is they have a shade predictor. So you can click on the shade predictor, you pick the color or the kind of foundation that you usually use and the shade in that brand that you usually use, and it'll match you to the color that closest matches you for MAC's foundation, which I thought was super genius. So this is the bottle. It's really pretty packaging, and I love the lid, how it has this travel safe pump. It does. I wanted to shake it up. I do have it on today, and I feel like it's a pretty good match, but I wanted to show you the consistency. It's very runny, more so than my Hourglass, which you guys know I really love the Hourglass Ambient Light, one of my absolute faves. But this was really pretty, and it's very, I think it's a buildable, but I love the radiance of it and the kind of the sheen that it gives. So I have it on today. I have no highlighter or anything on over it, but let me grab a napkin and wipe my hand off because I want to swatch a couple more things for you. Hold on. Okay, so I got my paper towel to clean off my hand. I have had this on for, I don't know, maybe 2 hours so far today, and I really like the way it's wearing. It's settled a little bit into my my creases here by my mouth, but honestly, my creases are so pronounced that I feel like any foundation is going to kind of do that. So I'm used to that. It doesn't bother me like it probably should. You can probably see right in here how it kind of settles for me. So I just kind of blend that out with my finger. But other than that, it's been wearing really well, and I'm really happy with it. It applied very well. I also applied it with the Pawpaw sponge, the wedge. I think too, next time I try it, I'm going to try it with a brush instead and see if I like the way it blends instead of patting it into my skin, just kind of putting it on and letting it settle itself and see what happens. I did also get this gold play. It is really a beautiful color. This is the color Totally Synced. It's shockingly pink for me, and I'm very intimidated by blushes. Like, I'm very intimidated by blushes. I feel sometimes I over apply, sometimes I don't apply enough. This was really beautiful, a beautiful color called Totally Synced. And a little bit, I mean, it's very buildable because I had to go in and go in and go in. And I was actually watching a video by Nikki LaRose. She uses this gold play too, and she said hers has lasted forever. So I'm really liking this. It's it's a really cute pink color for the spring. I'm really enjoying it, and I think I'm gonna wear this on Valentine's night out, along with this eyeshadow palette that I got. And I really love the packaging of these MAC palettes. The box is just so cute with the little drapes and stuff. It's so cute. I love MAC's packaging on their eyeshadow palettes. So this is the palette. It says Connect in Color Eyeshadow Palette, Encrypted Kryptonite. I love the colors in here. They're so pretty. for spring. And I really thought this reminds me so much of a Chanel palette that I used to adore. I must have bought it 3 times. This was 10 years ago and they discontinued it. I was so devastated. So I have this shadow on today. I used this color on my lid. Very pretty. And I used this color in my crease. So I used this on my lid, this on my crease, and I put them here. And then in the V, I used this dark color right here in the V. Very pretty together. And then of course I used this one on my brow bone here. And I used this color underneath my eye also. I really like it. I love the way they blend together and I like them all to kind of fade into one another. I did use this color too, just a little bit on top of my crease here and blended it all together. And I feel like I'm really loving these colors. I think that would take me into spring so beautifully. And this palette packaging is just so cute. This would make a good Valentine's gift too, if you're looking to give something to your daughter or your son's girlfriend or your mom, something like that. This would make a really cute palette because I feel like these are universally flattering colors. Of course, I had to get a MAC brush cleaner. I've been using that Cinematic Secrets, something like that. You get it from Sephora. But what I'm going to try and do this year, I'm making a resolution to clean my brushes more often. So I'm going to keep this on my makeup table and clean my brushes after each use. That way I'll have a clean brush every time. I'll keep you posted and let you know how that works out, but this is supposed to be a really good cleaner for that, to just keep on a wet paper towel, wash your brushes really quick, and then they'll dry for the next time. So I'll let you know how that goes. Onto the lips for MAC. I mean, throwback to the 90s. I had to get a Spice lip liner. I mean, this is just iconic. Spice just is such an iconic color. So swatch it for you there. I mean, it's so pretty right here. And then, you know, I remember a little story about this. So my mom went to the mall when I had babies at home. And my mom was out, you know, farting around, doing her thing. And she ran across a MAC store and bought me the Spice lip gloss and the Spice lip liner and the Lust gloss. This was when J-Lo was super big. I think her On the 6th album was out. I remember listening to that, but those two colors go so nicely together. And Lust is just such a beautiful, beautiful color. So I can't wait to wear this again. And then I got, let's see, I got another kind of, you know, I'm into nude lip glosses. So if you know me at all my lips are pretty nude. So this is called Oh Baby. I love the shimmer of this. And all these lip glosses were on sale. So I got Oh Baby. Where can I put that one? Put this one on the other side. There's Oh Baby. Much lighter, much more shimmer involved in the Oh Baby. But I love this. I love the gold of this. And then to match my blush here, I got another lip gloss. And this one is called Love Child. So let's see. I've never had this one before. I've had the Lust and the Oh Baby before. So those were kind of repurchases for me. Whoa. She looks really purple, doesn't she? Let's see how this works out. Oh, it's pretty. Right here. It's pretty. Let's put it on my lip. Let me take some of this off. Yeah, nothing came off. So that's pretty clear. So let's put this on. Here we go. It goes pretty with these eyeshadow colors. I like it. I think it goes well with these shadow colors too. This is called, what did I say this is called? Love Child. I like it. So, those were my MAC purchases. So that's what I got for MAC and me from winter into spring, just to kind of lighten it up, get some pinks in there. I think pink is going to be a color of the season too, coming into spring. In the spirit of Valentine's Day, I did a little Victoria's Secret haul. I'm gonna show you a couple of the things that I got from there. First of all is this bodysuit. I found this so super sexy. Look at the deep, deep V here. So I think that I'm gonna try and wear this on Valentine's Day. I think this would be super cute with a pair of jeans and like a big statement necklace or something like that. But I thought this would be really cute. I got a size small and this was $60. So not too bad. I mean, it's given me Pumiey vibes, but I really love the V-neck on this one, this deep plunging V-neck. And I don't know that I've seen a Pumiey one that does that. Pumiey does have bodysuits though now that have a cutout here and have sheer sleeves. I love it. I got two. I got brown and black, and I wish I had them here to show you. I don't. I'll put a picture of it though. They are so super cool. I wore the black one out to dinner and I got so many compliments on it. So I'll leave the Pumiey one, a picture of it, and I will leave it linked down below. I did also, again in the spirit of Valentine's Day, get a nice red t-shirt bra. This was so super cute, I thought. I love the red. It's like that blue orangey undertone red, but I love the back. So pretty with the lace detail. It is a front closure. And it does have some pretty serious padding here though, which I usually don't go for, but I think this is a push-up situation. So yeah, we'll see how this fits. But I thought in the spirit of Valentine's Day, I would give this a go. And I also got the little lace panties to go with it. So I thought that would be a cute little outfit for Valentine's Day. Maybe make the husband happy. So also, I got this cute little pajama set. Now, you know my favorite color is black, so we're not trying to fool anybody here. But look at this sweet little top. So cute. I love the lace detail on the bodice here. And on the sides, it's open. I don't know if you can see that. It has open, so it's just the sides closed with just this little tie. Super sweet. And then it comes with these little shorts. There they go. Super sweet. I love the lace detail on the legs. I did get a size small in all of these things, so I think they'll be very cute. It does have a drawstring. Let's see if it's functional. Drawstring does not function, so it's just elastic band. This drawstring here is just, this little string here is just for show. So it does not actually have a, but it's a nice waistband. So I think this would be super comfortable for the summer coming up as the weather warms up. And then I also got this very cute little nightie, but I can tell you it is short. I mean, she is short. So let me show you. I'm obviously not going to put this on, but let's see. I mean, yeah. So she's very short, very sweet, but very short. So make sure all your kids are asleep before you try and put this little gem on in the night. Thank you for watching my Valentine's Day edition, my Valentine's Day haul per se. Check out the MAC website. I'll leave everything that I featured in this video linked down below, along with the color foundation that I got. I'll also leave everything that I featured today from Victoria's Secret linked down below. If you enjoyed this content, please like this video. If you want to see future uploads, click that subscribe button. It really helps my channel a lot, and I'll see you next time.